Welcome dear students for today's class. In this video, today we are going to learn about the adjective and the kinds of adjectives. The adjective is one of the elements in the parts of the speech. Okay, so now let us see what is adjective. An adjective describes or modifies noun and pronoun in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, content and more about a noun or pronoun. Okay, in other words we can say an adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns and pronouns. They modify or describe by answering these questions. What kind? How many? Which one? How much? When we add adjective to the noun or to the pronoun, we add something more or we enrich about the noun. For example, the team has a dangerous batsman. What is adjective here? Dangerous. Okay, so it describes the noun batsman. What kind of batsman? Okay, secondly, I have 10 candies in my packet. What is the noun here? Candies. Okay, here adjective is 10 which describe with the question of how many. Okay. Thirdly, I loved that red car. What is noun here? Car. Okay. So here which car? Red car. Okay. So it describes about the car which color. Okay. And I earn more money than he does. Okay. So money is the noun. How much? It is the question. Answers of more. Now let us move into the kinds of adjectives. We have 8 kinds of adjectives. They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives and proper adjectives. Now let us see each kind of adjectives in a clear manner. Okay. First let us see adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality is also known as a descriptive adjective. Okay. A descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong to this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns and pronouns they modify or describe. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. The word beautiful is an adjective which describes the noun flower. Ashoka was a good and wise king. Good and wise are the adjectives which describes about the noun of king. I am hungry. The word hungry is providing information about the subject or noun I. Alex is a nice person. Okay, the adjective nice which describes about the person. Okay, here nice person, here person is Alex. Secondly, adjectives of quantity. These tell us how much of a thing is intended. This is also known as a quantitative adjective. This provides information about the quantity of the noun and pronouns. For example, she had sufficient money. Okay, so the verb or the adjective The word sufficient is an adjective which describes the noun of money, giving the answer for how much. Okay. Secondly, I have 20 bucks in my wallet. Okay. So here bucks is the noun, how much, gives 20 gives the answer for how much. I have been standing here for 3 hours. Okay. So what is the adjective here? 3, which gives answer for how much. How much time for you are waiting here? 3 hours. Okay. Now let us move into adjectives of number. Okay. So adjectives of number show how many persons or things they are. For example, many persons were killed in the explosion. Okay, so here many is an adjective which gives the answer for how many. Okay, secondly, several men came to see the lion. Okay, here an adjective is several which describes the men. Okay, giving the answer for how many men. Okay, they have 3 children. Here also number 3 describes the children, gives the answer for how many. Okay, these are the examples of adjectives of number. Next, let us move into demonstrative adjectives. Okay, demonstrative adjectives point out which persons or things are meant. And a demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. Okay, demonstrative adjectives include the words this, that, these, those, etc. For example, I like those mangoes. Which mangoes? Those mangoes. Okay, such people are dangerous. Which people? Such people. Okay, now this car is mine. Okay, this refers to a singular noun close to the speaker. Okay, so here adjective is this, which gives the answer of which. And let us move into interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. Okay, so here let us see the example. What color is your hair? Okay, what is an interrogative adjectives here which describe about color. Okay, so please remember here, what color is your hair? This is an interrogative sentence also. Here the word what is the question word. It also used as adjectives. This is called interrogative adjectives. Okay. Secondly, whose purse is this? Whose is an adjective here used to ask a question. Thirdly, which train goes to Mumbai? Here the word which, an interrogative adjective, is used to ask a question. Next is possessive adjectives. Okay, these are used with nouns to show possession. Okay, such as my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Okay. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. All these adjectives always come before a noun. Okay. For example, my car is parked outside. So here it is car is a noun, my is an adjective. It is placed before the noun. His cat is very cute. Okay, his is an adjective placed in front of before the noun. Our job is almost done. So our is an adjective, possessive adjective is used before the noun job. Her books are interesting. Okay, her is an adjective which is used before the noun books. Next is distributive adjectives. Okay, these are examples of each, every, either and neither. Okay, for example, each boy must take his turn. Okay, here each is the distributive adjective which is placed before the noun of boy. Secondly, every man must do this duty. Every is a distributive adjective which is placed before the noun of man. Either pen will do. So here what is adjective? Either is the distributive adjective. It is placed before the noun of pen. Neither statement is true. Here neither is the distributive adjective. The last one is proper adjectives. Okay. Now let us see what is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are the adjective form of proper nouns. Okay. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Okay. So proper adjective allow us to summarize the concept in just in one word. For example, French, Japanese, Indian. Okay, these are the adjectives which indicates the proper nouns. Okay, it indicates a particular place, a particular person or particular thing. And adjectives can be used both attributively and predicatively. Okay, for example, this is an interesting story. So here what is adjective? Interesting. It is used as attributive use for the noun. How to use predicative? This story is interesting. Okay, so here the same adjective interesting is used, but used as the predicative. Okay, here I have given some more examples. Let us see to that. These are ripe mangoes. Okay, this attributive use. These mangoes are ripe. This predicative use. These are sour grapes. Okay, so this is attributive use and predicative. These grapes are sour. What is the difference? Attributive is used just in front of the noun and predicative is the end of the sentence. Okay. Now dear children, you would have got a clear idea about the adjectives and how many kinds of adjectives we are using in our day-to-day life to speak or to write the sentences. So whenever you read something, find out the adjective and what kind of adjectives. Okay. Here I give some of the exercises to do and do the exercises and practice it to get the clear knowledge about the adjectives. Okay, thank you. May God bless you.